Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I am going to unbox this LABART THERM LT1372 thermocouple thermometer. It works in the range of minus 200 degrees Celsius to minus 1372 degrees Celsius. It is a digital precision instrument, and on the sides there is the LABART digital precision instrument, and all the sides that logo of LABART and digital precision instrument is given, all the four sides, and on the back there is the imported and marketed by address is given. So let us open this box. So when you open this box, there is one certificate you can see on the top. So this is the calibration certificate of 1 year. The temperature display is given in a small handbag, and there are 4 thermocouples given in 4 separate covers. So these thermocouples can be connected to this temperature display, and we also have this temperature display in the back. And let's see what else is in the box. There is one instruction manual, and also it's a warranty card. So there is some instructions on how to use the device, how to calibrate the device. Such things are given in this manual. And also we have one battery in this device. This is a high power battery. It can be used in the temperature display. So let's open the temperature display instrument from this bag. So let's open this bag. So as you can see here, we can use, there is zip is given on the sides. We can open it, the zip, and this is the thermocouple thermometer display. So we can open it. It has 4 channels for each thermocouple. As we can see on the back, this is where we put the battery. So you have to use a screwdriver for putting the battery, and we can see there is 4 ports on the upper side. That is where we connect the thermocouples, and we have power button, we have hold button, maximum and minimum buttons, and limit button is there, and we can change the channels using these buttons. And there's the details. We have to put this is not a personal safety device. This is a professional instrument, manufacturers a precision measuring instrument. So let's keep aside these things. So this is all that's in the box. Now let's open the certificate, the calibration certificate. So this is the calibration certificate. So we can see the calibration certificate here. So for 1 year, the calibration certificate, we have the values of calibration is listed as a table in this certificate. Now let's check the thermocouple. Let's take one thermocouple and check it. So let's keep everything else aside. So we can open the cover and check the thermocouple. As you can see here, there is a plug on one end of the thermocouple, which can be plugged into the temperature display, and the other end is the thermocouple end. And as you know, the thermocouple works on seebeck effect. It is because of the 2 different junctions of 2 dissimilar metal wires, which produce a net EMF with a difference in temperature. So this is the joining of one end of 2 similar metals, and it can be connected to the place where we have to measure the temperature, and the other end is connected to the temperature sensor. So let's connect this. Let's plug in this thermocouple into this temperature display. So there is 4 channels. We can plug into any of these channels. So this is the plug. So let's look at the plug. What is mentioned in the plug is that the 2 metals which is used on this thermocouple is clearly mentioned in the plug. So let's plug it into this temperature sensor. We have to plug it very smoothly. We cannot damage the temperature sensor or the thermocouple. Now in order to test this temperature sensor and thermocouple, we need to connect it, and you need to put the battery. So it is a difficult task. This video is intended only for the mere unboxing of this thermometer thermocouple sensors. Full testing, working and review of this sensor will be uploaded soon. So thanks for watching my video. Goodbye.